Saga of a fangirl. Tori is watching Supernatural and is experiencing mega fangirl feels. She spotted us. I can promise you this is not an act. This is real life.
This show. Too many feels.
This is Tori, aka Read Me a Song.
Go to bed. Show makes me sad.
The daily life of a vlogger. Watch as she retreats to her natural habitat. This is our brother. He doesn't have a vlog because he's a loser. And I am Grace, not but a can't even say my own blog name.
Grace, just turn it off.
Not but a lioness.
Just,
Yes.
no.
And there's SpongeBob.